Morning, guys. So it is our daily market update. We started trading the Euro USD last week, and we took a couple of trades along. We took here when it broke above, and then we had the short that we took or the sell. So as you guys can see, we have a level of support here where it seems where the dollar has found some strength and the euro is weakening. Right now we have this candle breaking towards the upside. We will not confirm this candle until we see it closing at 11 o'clock. So we will see what happens to this candle. But for now, it looks like we are going to get some upwards movement. Guys, if you have any questions about the trade, so what will happen next? If this candle breaks above and we have our first candle that opens above the 8 EMA, the next candle, so the second candle that opens above the 8 EMA, we will then close our short and we will open up a long and we will ride it past this buy that we have here because we have a buy here. We'll see how far the momentum takes us to both of them and see how much we can make on this. But right now, I think the sentiment is the market is a bit sideways, but I do think that we are going to see a lot of upwards movement. For now, but on Wednesday there is critical news coming out, so we're not sure of what it's going to do. But again, our trading style is got nothing to do with news, nothing to do with anything else except we are watching what the price is doing. The good thing is the price is above the 100, it's above the 200. It does have the 50 above it, so that is a bit of a concern. But other than that, we are waiting to see does these candles close above the white line, which is our 8 EMA, and are we going to see some more upwards? So again, guys, just to recap, if it breaks above the 8 EMA, we will be closing all of our sells and we will be engaging another buy and we will ride the buy all the way to where it takes us. And that is our Monday market recap.